Welcome back to another episode of our AI video marketing series, where I walk you through real ways to turn long-form footage into scroll-stopping clips using smart tools. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform a single long video into a stack of viral-ready short clips, all with a smart tool. And yes, it only takes a few minutes to get something you can actually post. In today's content landscape, attention is the new currency. People don't sit through 10-minute monologues anymore. They skim, they scroll, and they react to the moments that hit fast and hard. That's why repurposing long videos into bite-sized, high-impact clips is one of the most powerful moves any creator can make. It keeps your content working for you, builds more touch points with your audience, and gives you more chances to go viral without shooting new footage every day. So let's hop into the tool, and I'll show you how it works from upload to post. I'm using a long interview I recorded, but this works for tutorials, live streams, webinars, anything that has those golden micro moments. First, upload your long video. The uploader is straightforward. Drag, drop, and it starts analyzing. While it's looking through your footage, here's what it's actually doing. The AI scans for things like high-energy peaks, emotional moments, topic changes, and engagement signals. Instead of you scrubbing for hours trying to find that one line that'll perform, the tool surfaces the moments that are most likely to hook people. Once the analysis finishes, you'll see a timeline filled with suggested clips. The beauty here is, you don't have to guess what will work. It suggests clips that are trimmed to platform-friendly lengths and already optimized for vertical and square formats. That's the big difference between this workflow and the old manual way. It's not just slicing video, it's choosing the parts that have a shot at being shared. Now you can browse through the suggested clips and fine-tune them. Maybe you want to keep a second longer of the laugh at the end or trim out a filler word. The tool gives you quick edit controls, so those small tweaks feel effortless. You can also add captions automatically, which is a lifesaver because most viewers watch without sound. The captions are editable too, so if the automated text mishears a proper noun, you can fix it in 2 seconds. Branding is another area where this tool shines. Instead of recreating your look for every clip, you set your brand kit once, logo, colors, fonts, and apply it with one click across every generated clip. That keeps your feed cohesive and saves a ton of repetitive work. If you want to swap styles or tweak the thumbnail for a specific platform, it's all in the same place. One thing creators sleep on is scheduling. You can make a stack of clips in 30 minutes and then get overwhelmed by the logistics of posting. The auto schedule feature lets you set how often you want content to go out. Daily, multiple times per day, or just a couple times a week. And the AI fills the calendar with your clips in optimal time slots. That alone changes the game. You stop thinking like a one video a day creator and start thinking like a channel that consistently shows up. And speaking of calendars, the content calendar in the tool is legit. You can see a bird's eye view of what's queued, which clips are drafted, and which are posted. Need to move a clip from one platform queue to another? Drag and drop. Need to swap a thumbnail or re-edit a caption after seeing early performance? Do it right in the calendar. It's the kind of centralized workflow that saves grown creators hours every week. Let's compare that to other tools for a second. You could do everything in a heavy editing suite in a separate scheduling tool, but that's time-consuming and disjointed. Export, upload, schedule across platforms, and repeat. Tools focused just on transcription are great at editing bells and whistles, but they aren't as focused on bulk repurposing and scheduling. Some clip generators out there are good at animations or intros, but they charge extra or lack the scale for creators who publish dozens of clips a month. One platform, for example, is amazing at animated intros and branded motion pieces. But if your goal is to find viral moments in long content and push them out consistently, this tool nails that specific use case better and keeps the whole process in one place.